Okay, man, I get it. You're lazy. Not only are you lazy, you're ridiculously lazy, but you want to make some money. So I've been working online for the past 6 years and I've made millions of dollars, and I'm going to go over what I found to be literally the laziest methods to making real money online that actually work. So follow along. I'm going to go over 4 methods and I'm going to walk you through on my computer right here how you can get started. Cool, so these are some lazy methods to make money online. I kind of had to get creative with this. A little background on me is I do affiliate marketing, have 0 employees, make millions of dollars per year. Not gonna go into too much about me. Let's focus on how you can be super lazy and make money online. So the first method is kind of an obvious one, which is taking surveys, okay? Just sit around and basically fill out, answer personal questions about stuff. And if we come over here to my computer, I'm going to show you, there's a really simple site that you can actually start taking surveys on. It's through Amazon. So if you see here on Amazon, there's a lot of different jobs that you can do to make money online. They don't pay all that much. They're very simple, basic tasks. You can, like this one, you see spot objects in image, and it will pay 30 cents. I mean, it can't get more lazy than that. You're just spotting objects in images to see what's going on there. That sounds super lazy. So here's another basic lazy task you can do, which is, you can describe a fact. Describe a fact and you get paid 20 cents. And you see 3,000 people have done this already, and here's a preview of what the instructions are. They give you instructions on how to do these things. So pretty lazy stuff. Again, these are basic tasks you don't get paid much for, but you can make a couple bucks an hour doing this and just be totally lazy, sitting out, mind-numbed at your computer. Let's go over a second lazy thing. So playing video games is another super lazy task that really requires very little thought, time, or money to do. And the way you would make money if you're just going to play video games is you'd actually want to live stream yourself, okay? You'd want to live stream yourself on Twitch, and you can make donations from people. So let's go to twitch.tv, and here you see you can play poker on Twitch as well. But a lot of people watch Fortnite. Fortnite is the popular thing, and as you see, there's some of the big people have thousands of people watching them play video games. Now, to become big on, Twitch or any of these platforms, YouTube live stream, you have to be lazy consistently, So that is the kind of annoying part, is you have to consistently be lazy and just play video games and live stream yourself, or else you won't get an audience. And, the more animated you are, the better. But if you're just a couch slob and you're doing nothing, unless you're a super hot chick wearing some really cute anime type gear, you're not going to get a lot of viewers. Again, like all of this stuff, there are ways to be effectively lazy, but playing video games online at least gives you the opportunity to get people to donate or add revenue on Twitch TV. So the third way to make money online being super lazy is play poker. Play low stakes poker. Screw it. You could play poker online. Obviously, you can make money playing poker in real life, but you could also lose money too. And what I'm going to show you is just a super simple way of making money playing poker without really any chance of losing. And that would be to actually be an affiliate marketer for poker programs and live stream on YouTube. You can live stream on YouTube just like you do on Twitch. So you see Poker Party Millions right here, and you can live stream yourself playing poker. And how you would make money, you can make money on Twitch through ads, but what I'm going to show you is a more effective way, is live stream on YouTube. I don't see many people doing this, and I actually think this would be really effective. I don't know why people don't do this. But you'll see right here is that you can get people to sign up to play poker online themselves. And this company, 888 Poker, has paid out over $207 million to affiliate marketers who have referred new players. You can get anywhere from $100 to $250 per player that signs up to play poker on 888 Poker. So it's almost like they're a sponsor of you playing poker, but on a performance basis. And look at that money figure. That is a big, beautiful number right there. So really easy way, play poker online and refer other people to play poker online as well. The last super lazy way to make money online, which I'm going to share today, is just literally just go on social media and share stuff. But share stuff with affiliate links. Share products that people can buy or that are interested, people might find interesting. Really, you could just share with people ways they can make money online. So let's go over to my computer and I'll show you an example of that. So this also, you would want to sign up to be an affiliate marketer. And what's great about affiliate marketing is you don't have to have a product, you don't have to have customer support, you don't have to ship people anything, you don't have to have a business, you don't have to like merchant, you don't have to be able to like handle credit cards or like merchant process anything. Affiliate marketing is probably the laziest way to make money overall because you really just don't need much to set up. You just sign up. This poker affiliate program, you just click join the success and you can sign up right here. It's that easy. And you could start making money. Most businesses, they require you to have like a business, they require to have all this stuff and make money with an affiliate program. It doesn't really require anything. So that's pretty cool. The affiliate program I would recommend you join actually is called ClickBank. So if you just want to share stuff on social media, join ClickBank. This is what I use. I generate, my business does a couple $100,000 per month. We did a few $1 million last year in commissions. So I make a pretty good deal of money. I have 0 employees. I have, I don't have to ship people anything. I don't have office or any of that jazz, and I make a few million per year. And you can too. And that's what I do with ClickBank right here. Now what you would do is you just go to the marketplace and let's say you want to share with people ways they can make money online. You'd maybe go over here to this e-business and marketing category. And this is my product, Super Affiliate System. And let's say you wanted to share my product with other people on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. And I will pay you, just to give you an example, I will pay you $463 per sale. So if you get a couple people clicking on this, you can make a couple $100 per day, just one sale. So what you'd do is you'd simply go to social media, you'd click, you'd get your link, you'd say, okay, generate hop link. You get your hop link right here and you just click copy. And then you would simply go to Facebook and you could write some sort of post and you could say, let's look at my page. Put your link in there, copied my link, and I just say free training, learn how to make a bunch of money online. Wow, this is pretty cool, guys. That's it. And now you see everything loaded and you just did an affiliate promotion. All you would do is you'd click share and there you go. Now you just consistently share stuff. That's a super lazy way to make money. Maybe you don't want to spam your friends with my big bearded face, but you could do that for any product you find on ClickBank. You could find other products that, are like helping people out with green juice, or you could do the same thing and you could go to the comments of some other person's video and you could just say, hey, free training, learn how to make a lot of money online, and post a link to your affiliate promotion. Easy, lazy way to make money online. Sorry, it took a little long with that last example, but I hope this was informative of kind of 4 super lazy ways to make money online. Again, if you don't want to put in a lot of time, thought, or money, I just gave you 4 super easy ways to get started. Give me a big fat like if that helps you out. And if you are going to take action on one of these methods, whether that's taking surveys, playing video games, playing poker, or sharing stuff, let me know in the comments. Just type in the comment which one of these you're going to do. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and kind of what I do and kind of what I walked you through at the end there, subscribe to my channel. And I actually have a free course. It's like 10 videos and there's some bonuses for you if you want to go deeper and learn more about affiliate marketing and all that jazz, how I make millions of dollars per year. Hopefully you like this video and let me know in the comments which one you like the most. Talk to you soon.